Hey guys, so I got a quick video for everybody. I was working on my Mobylette, and I was having an issue where every time I tried to start the bike, gas would just pour out of the exhaust area. When I was troubleshooting, I found that I had a lot of gas coming from this area. It was hitting my exhaust and then just leaking down. At first I thought that maybe it was the aftermarket homemade petcock here, because it's a lot bigger than normal, but I ended up finding the solution. So I cleaned the carb a bunch of times, thinking that maybe the float needle was the issue, but it ended up not being that at all. So I ended up adding a fuel filter onto the line. It's just a real tiny, cheap filter. It's maybe like $3. Surprisingly, that's kind of all it took. I don't know, it was really weird. These French bikes are weird. I've had a few problems with these. These French bikes always have a lot of issues. So that's the bike in question there. I got a second one back there, but that's just a rat rod.